Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start our lesson from page number 11. First write date, classwork and day. Now start the topic proper set. If every element of A is also an element of B and at least one element of B is not an element of A, then A is a proper subset of A, denoted symbolically as A is proper subset of B. अगर आपके पास एक सेट है A और उसके सारे एलिमेंट B में हो लेकिन एटलीस्ट वन और टू एलिमेंट्स B के वो A में ना हो, then A is a proper subset of B. This symbol is used to denote proper set. Every set is a subset of itself. Thus, if A is equals to B, then A is a subset of B or A is a subset of A. The null set or a phi is a subset of every element. अगर null set है या phi है वो सबका subset होगा. Proper subset. A subset that contain every element of set A is called the improper subset of A. अगर एक subset है उस के सारे एलिमेंट सेट ए में हैं तो देन इट कॉल द इम्प्रॉपर सेट ऑफ ए. द इम्प्रॉपर सबसेट एंड ओरिजिनल सेट आर इक्वल एज दे कंटेन द सेम एलिमेंट. अगर उनके सेम एलिमेंट है तो दे आर इक्वल. Superset. A superset is a set that contain all the element of a smaller set. For example, if A is equals to 1, 2, 3 and B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, then B is a superset of A. This is symbolically expressed in the form of A is a superset of B. अगर आपके पास एक सेट है और उसके तमाम एलिमेंट स्मॉलर सेट में हैं, then is a bigger set is a superset of smaller set. Next, power set. A power set is a set that contains all the subset that can be possibly created from an original set. For example, if set A is equals to 1, 2, 3, then the following subset can be created. Subset of A. First 5, then 1, then 2 and 3. Then 1, 2, 1, 3. 2, 3, last 1, 2 and 3. All the possible subset of a set is called power set. The power set is written as P bracket A is equals to phi or a null set 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. Correspondence between set. Two set A is equals to 1, 2, 3 and B is equals to A, B, C are said to be in 1-to-1 correspondence if each element in A can be paired with a single member of B and vice versa. अगर एक में जितने एलिमेंट्स हो देन दूसरे सेट में भी उतने ही एलिमेंट्स हो जिनका पेयर बन सके, दैट्स कॉल्ड correspondence and 1-to-1 correspondence. For example, A is equals to 1, 2 and 3. B is A, B and C. Both have three elements and pair. Now move on your next page, page number 13, cardinality of set. The number of element of a set is called cardinal numbers. Cardinality of set A is equals to A, B, C, D. Number of elements. Count the number of elements 1, 2, 3, 4. The cardinality of this set is 4. Now next topic, symbols used in set. Let us look at the meanings of some symbols. First symbol is this is equal to. 1, 2, 5 is equals to 5. Set with exactly the same members. Next symbol is not equal to. जब equal के ऊपर cross आ जाएगा is called not equal to. 1 to 5 is not equals to 1 to 4. These symbols are equivalent set. X, Y, Z are equivalent to 1 to 3. This symbol is a member of its or it's belong to. 3 is a member of 1 to 3. Next is not member of, it's not belongs to 3 is not belong to 0, 1, 2. Next 5 is an empty set or a null set. It's also written in the form of a brackets. It has no members. Next, this symbol is a subset of A is 1, 2, 3, B is 1, 2, 3, B is a subset of A. Next symbol is a proper subset of A is equals to 3, 4 and B is equals to 2, 3 and 4. B is a proper subset of A. Next, this symbol is used to such that X is such that X is a day of week. Now start exercise 1E. First question, filling the blanks. Part 1. A unit set is also called a dash singleton. A set of all integers is an dash set, infinite set. The symbol this represent a empty set or null set. Two sets that contain the same number of elements are called equivalent set. A dash set contains all the possible subset of set, a power set. A proper subset is denoted by the symbol this. The number of element in a set is called its cardinality. The number of elements in a set is called its cardinality. Now open page 14. Set A is equals to 1, 2, 3 is a dash of set B. Subset overlapping set have in at least one dash element common. The universal set of A is equals to 1, 3, 5 and B is equals to 2, 4, 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. यूनिवर्सल सेट में क्या करते हैं, दोनों सेट को कंबाइन करके लिख लेते हैं. नेक्स्ट 100, 200, 400 blank 1, 2, 3 up to so on. 100, 200 and 400 are proper set of 1, 2 and 3. Next 12, 24 is a proper set of 2, 4, 6. 10 belongs to 1, 2, 3 up to so on. 1, 2, 3 up to so on is a proper subset of 8, 10 and 12. 135 is equals to 351. Kasur, Lahore, Multan is a proper subset of Pakistani cities. A, B is not equals to vowels of English alphabets. Next question 2. State whether the following was true or false. First, A is equals to A, B, C, D, E and B is equals to B, D, E. Then B is a subset of A. False. There can be no one-to-one correspondence in set A is equals to A, B, C and set B is equals to 1, 2, 3. There is a 3 element in set A and 3B. It's also one-to-one correspondence, so it's false. Set A is equals to Japan, China, South Korea. There is a 3 elements in set A and B is equals to Mars or Jupiter and Uranus are equivalent set. There is a 4 elements in set B. It's also not equivalent set, so that's false. The power set includes a null set. True. P is equals to 1, 2, 3 up to 10. It's written as P is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 in set builder form. No, it's false. A set of all children in a school is a finite set. True. A set of all the beautiful cities of war is a well-defined set. False. It's not a well-defined set. The symbol this denotes a subset. No. False. Set B is the superset of set A. If set B contain all elements of set A. True. The cardinality of set A is equals to 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Count the elements of set A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The cardinality of this set is 5, so it is 30. False. If T is equals to A, B, C, then A belongs to T. Yes, true. A is a proper set of T, not A is an element of T, not a set of T. False. Next question 3. Define the following. We already read this and these definitions topic wise. So write in your notebook like this.